What's the meaning of cuckoo spit? Cuckoo spit. Cuckoo spit.
Cuckoo spit. Cuckoo spit. Cuckoo spit refers to the white frothy substance that appears on plants, particularly grasses, during the spring and summer. It is created by the nymph of the froghopper insect forming a protective coating around itself as it feeds on plant sap. The frothy appearance is caused by air being whipped into the liquid excrement they secrete. Despite its name, the presence of cuckoo spit rarely harms the host plant. However, large amounts of froth can be unsightly and indicate the presence of a high population of froghoppers.